Oh, oh, what is she doing? Oh, you say. Da-na-na-na-na, Jubei. Da-na-na-na. I don't even know. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Oh, there we go. She is feeling herself. This hair is a mess though, guys. Alright, as you can see, I already have my foundation on my eyebrows and I'm baking or whatever. Don't mind this hair, it's a mess. I'm going to go with my Too Faced palette from the Christmas edition in 2016. I am going to take this taupey color called Cobblestone and we're going to carve out our nose. Who said we need rhinoplasty when we could just contour our nose? Way cheaper. Right here we're going to bake our bridge to bring out a pop of color. And I am going to dust off some of this baking powder that's on our jawline right here. And then we're going to go in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Guys, this is like the best bronzer I've ever got my hands on. And I highly, highly recommend this product. I'm going to place it on my cheekbones and my forehead, like so. We are going to finesse these peoples. We're going to go with our Tartelette palette. This is called Jet Setter, and I couldn't catch the other name, but it's both two of the neutral colors. I'm just going to mix them together and place it in my crease line. Then we're going to take this Leader darker shade right here, put it in the outer corner, and blend it inwards. Yes. Yes, just to add a little bit more dimension, we're going to add this darker shade on the outer corners. I'm now going in with my Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay, and we're placing this dark shade right here on our lids. Add a little bit more depth. And then we're going to go back in with Jet Setter and place that under our lower lash line to add even more dimension so our eyes don't look as small. Okay, here we are. Here we are dusting off more of this cocaine on our face. And I placed lashes off camera, and I placed on some eyeliner and placed some of my Colossal mascara that I love so much. Now we're going to go in with this NYX Wonder Pencil and place some of this nude liner in our waterline to make our eyes pop even more. And we're moving kind of fast here. We're going to take this highlighting brush, spray it with some water, going with the Funny Girl shade from our Tartelette palette, which I love so much as of right now. I haven't even went back to my Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics because this color is impeccable, guys. If you guys get this palette, it's amazing. Definitely use Funny Girl as highlight and inner corner eye highlight as well. Just like this picture or this scene right here. Yeah, don't forget the other eyeball. Do both eyes or else you'll look crazy. And then now I am placing Candy K lip liner and lining my lips with this beautiful shade, my all-time favorite shade from Kylie Cosmetics that I bought tons and tons of lip liners and use them all up. We're just going to trace our lips. And right here I'm taking NARS Rubicon, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Rubicon or Rubitin shade. This is like a lip balm almost. And I'm just going to place that all over my lips. And then I'm taking Kris Jenner's really question mark lip gloss, placing that all over. But then guess what, guys? I decided to not go with that shade and that lip color. So right here, I wiped it off. I placed on some Candy K lip liner, and now I'm going with Damn Gina gloss and placing that all over my lips. And we're just gonna stick with this because the other shade was ugly. I wasn't feeling the other shade. Now you're gonna take your MAC Fix Plus spray and spray your whole face like you just went running after some guy. Let it dry. Fan yourself off because you hot. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's really quick, and I love you guys so much for all the love and support.